back, and today I am here with a hair collaboration with Megalook hair, and y'all, it's giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving Bratz doll, it's giving gorgeous, it's giving flawless, it's giving balayage, highlights, it's giving everything it's supposed to give. You guys already know. If you'd like to see how I achieve this install, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so to bleach the lace, you want to use some BW2 powder, and you want to use some Clairol developer. I use 40, and then you want to just mix it till it's kind of like a thick consistency, because you don't want it to be too loose, then it'll seep through. But mine kind of already did over bleach anyway, so just try not to over bleach it if you can. Alright, y'all, pluckety pluck plug. You gotta make sure that thing is plugged, baby. No thick hairlines, okay? That is not cute. So make sure you guys are plucking, and then I'm gonna show you guys one side plucked and the other side not plucked, so you guys can see what I did. Alright, y'all, so now we're gonna go ahead and put that thing over my big head, and then after that y'all gonna see me use this spray, the adhesive lace spray, because that's like the only thing that I use that actually be laying my lace down. Like, I am not a real glue girl for real. I like the spray better. Well, I did 3 layers, but I only showed y'all 2. And then make sure you guys blow dry it on cool. Okay, now you want to just go ahead and comb the lace into the glue, and just like this. So yeah, make sure it's real melted, and then blow dry on cool. Your hot comb after this, and just make sure everything is smoothed out and real sleek. Time to cut that lace. Okay, make sure you are doing like kind of zigzag motions. You don't want to just go straight across, because it's just gonna look too blunt, and that's not cute. Okay, fix whatever you need to fix. Clearly, I did not put enough right here on my ear flaps, so make sure you use enough glue. And if you didn't, just go back in and redo it. So this goat spray right here is definitely the truth. It just adds an extra layer of melting. So like, I just like to put it on there and then just melt the rest of my lace down because I don't know, for some reason, it's just like magic in a bottle. I love this stuff. Middle part, shawty, y'all already know middle parts are like one of my favorites to do. So we're gonna go ahead and get that thing real sleek. Y'all already know we're gonna take our edge, no, not our edge stick, not yet, y'all, not baby hairs. We're gonna take our wax stick and then we just gonna make sure everything is just real sleek. Y'all already know how I feel about flat lace at the top and the flat hair, so let's get with it. Yeah, so I pulled out the baby hairs that I want to do, and I only want to do 2 on each side. So now I'm just going to make sure that they are very sleek so that they can lay. So I'm going to take my handy dandy hot comb, and I'm just going to go down. And y'all, make sure y'all don't burn y'all face, because when I tell y'all I done burnt myself so many times using my hot comb, don't be like me. And then just go ahead and pluck the excess hair, because we don't want super thick baby hairs. We kind of want them just nice looking. So just make sure you pluck hair like it. Okay, y'all, so right here, this is like the holy grail. That spritz right here, I'm talking about the truth, okay? Make sure you put that on first before you lay your band down. When I say the ultimate melt, I'm talking about melt down. Yeah, as I was doing my hair, I was using a Nairobi spray, and it's just a heat protector and like a shine. So it made my hair real sleek and real shiny, and my hair just really came out real bomb. Hair time. Okay, y'all, I want to get that new a new flat iron for my baby hairs, but we're just gonna use this for the meantime. So curl under, that way the baby hairs can flip to the back and it just give it a real nice look. Then I'm going with the Got To Be glue and my Nairobi foam, and I'm just gonna sleek these bad boys. If the part ain't crisp, I don't even want it. So go ahead and take that Kiss concealer and just go ahead and make that part really, really nice and straight. And then I'm going with my Kiss hair root mascara, and I'm just gonna make sure that my line is real perfect and real straight. Spray the top with some spritz to lay those flyaways, and the hairstyle is complete. And y'all gonna see me feeling myself in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Y'all know I have to get all glamified and everything like that, do my little eyeshadow and all that to give y'all the finished look. Okay, this hair was super easy to work with, super full, as you can see. Lace bomb is melted. Honestly, the only thing that I could say was like an issue for me was trying to adjust it to my head. It could be because I just got a big head, I don't know, but it was just a little weird on that part. But you know, I'm gonna always make it work, and that's exactly what we did. So you guys already know I'm gonna leave all the details in the description box below. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.